Today we're going to talk about when to rotate your tires and when to replace your tires. Now, if you're as old as I am, you probably remember changing your oil every 3,000 miles and rotating your tires every 6,000 miles. With the way today's oil life is, you can get about 7,500 miles or so in between oil changes. So we recommend just rotating your tires when you come in for an oil change. It makes life simple and easy for you to remember. When it comes to replacing your tires, it's going to vary from vehicle to vehicle and how you drive it. Are you a highway driver? Are you an in-town driver? Do you do a lot of gravel traveling? All these things play into how quickly your tire may or may not wear. When you bring your vehicle into us, what we're going to do is we're going to inspect your tires for age, wear patterns, cracks, and tread depth. Now, we recommend replacing your tires at 430 seconds. Some manufacturers have different opinions on when your tires should be replaced, but that's the tread depth guideline that we're going to go to. If you have any questions about your tires or you're not quite sure if they need replaced or not, feel free to swing on in at any point in time during our normal business hours to our tire center or our service department, and we'll be able to give you our opinion.